Hey YouTube, how you doing? Guinnison here, back at you with another review. And today we're going to be taking a look at the Royal Kludge RK61. 60% keyboard that's hot swappable, Bluetooth, and RGB. And I think you're really going to like it. So let's take a deeper look at it.
Easy go.
Alright folks, here it is, the RK61 Royal Kludge. Take it out of the box here and I'll show you what else is included in the box. It does come in a nice soft plastic bag. And I went with the white, blue, and gold version because, quite frankly, it reminded me of the Gundam keyboard, and I really like that. Matches my tall geese on my wallpaper. It also matches my Zero Gunpla. But man, this thing is nice. So it comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable that you're going to use to connect it if you want to do it wired. But the cable has a USB-C to USB adapter right on it, which I think is pretty awesome. So not everyone's going to have one of those, and then if you do have it, you're more than likely going to lose it. So the fact that they did that, really nice. It does come with a combination keycap and switch puller. So let's go ahead and pull off one of these switches for you, or one of these keycaps. I'm going to pull out the switch so you can get a look at it. Now this is the Sky Cyan switch. It is a linear switch. It has about a 50-gram actuation. It's a smooth linear. This switch is amazing. I love it, and I'm going to end up getting some more for my main keyboard. It also comes with 4 extra switches, so in case you... I don't know. I don't really know why they would include extra switches. But hey, they're there, so you have them. These switches do have a 50 million click lifespan, so I'm not really sure. It does connect 3 different ways. So you have your 2.4 USB-C or USB dongle, and this is a magnetic connection. So that's not going to go anywhere. You have a USB-C, a USB-C, and a USB. It does support pass-through. So if you wanted to connect your mouse or something else to it, you can. And then it also is Bluetooth. And with Bluetooth, you can connect it up to 3 different devices at the same time, which I think is kind of cool. I'm not really sure why I would, but the option's there. And having the option's kind of cool. You would just use the keyboard shortcut to do it, which is the function Q and function Q, W, or E. So it'd be function Q for the first device, second device, third device. One thing I really like about the keycaps here is they are a nice ABS keycap. I don't think they're going to get shiny with use. My other Royal Kludges haven't. But it shows you what functions are the alt functions. Because some keyboards don't do that. And what's nice about it is with the keyboard sitting as if you are using it, you can see perfectly what they are. It does have RGB, like I was saying. Go ahead and turn that on. Now it's going to flash P because I have it on the 2.4 connection with the USB-C or USB dongle, but I don't have it connected, so it's going to throw a little hissy fit. If you have it on the Bluetooth, it switches over to the Q to let you know. And then you can adjust the RGB with this function here. You can turn it up, turn it down. I mean, really a ton of different features on this thing. You have all your media keys. This right here are your up-down key, like your arrow keys. I really like it. So we're going to give you a quick little typing test. Give you a stabilizer sound. I used it all day at work today, and I'm absolutely in love with it. One thing I love about it is that when I took it apart, I took it completely apart at work today. So that should give you an idea. It does have a layer of foam on the very bottom for some sound dampening. The stabilizers are pre-lubed. The switches are lubed, and like everything is just really clean. Like it doesn't look like they took any shortcuts at all. Right now on Amazon, it's $59.99 with a $7 coupon to bring it down to $53. I honestly think it's well worth that. And like I said, it's the new Sky Cyan switches, and they are phenomenal. I do think they are Royal Kludge only. It's the only place I saw them was Royal Kludge's website, which means I'm going to have to get some from my main keyboard. Speaking of my main keyboard, let's go ahead and bring that bad boy in so you can get a look at it and a size comparison. So my main keyboard is a Royal Kludge RK100. The RK100 is a full-keyed keyboard. It's just compacted a little bit to save some space, which you could see on my desk. I need it, but I need the numpad for daily drive at home. This has brown switches, which I do not like, and it also has aftermarket keycaps. This has brown switches, and give you a sound of that. My computer just went fucking haywire. It did not like that. But I love the Royal Kludge series. It does have software to control the RGB, and you can completely change all of this. This is all macro. So if you want to change something to something else, you're more than welcome to with the software. The software it's honestly pretty good. It's not crazy demanding. It doesn't open up whenever you turn on your computer. It's just kind of there in the background for when you need it, and I really like it. You can connect it to your Mac OS, so if you wanted to do that, and like I said, you can connect it to via Bluetooth to your cell phone because it is Android compatible as well. I had it connected to my phone while I was doing some tests, and I really enjoy it. Give you a look at the side because I like the way they did that. It's just clean. The feet it has, like the rubberized feet, it's not going anywhere. I mean, it's on there. It's moving my entire desk. And just those switches, man. Like if you're playing a game, like I see no reason why you guys shouldn't get this. If you're looking for a nice starter Bluetooth keyboard, wireless keyboard, and honestly, if you wanted to modify it, it's a heck of a start for that as well. 8 screws to take apart completely. Very easy to modify. The only thing I might do is I might trim the feet off the stabilizers, but I don't know if I will. I mean, I don't think it needs it. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button. Jump in the comments, let me know what y'all think of it. Also, catch me out on stream. I stream almost every night. I usually play first-person shooters. But appreciate y'all coming in, hanging out with me.